What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys saw in the thumbnail, I did purchase a new car for the channel, a new build, and I didn't really film the whole process of me getting it and all that because it was very complicated. Somebody shipped it out to me from another state, and then I went like an hour away to go get it last night. The reason I did not film it is because it was raining outside, it was dark and all that, but got it here on the trailer today and I will show you guys right now. I ended up picking up an F30. This is a 328, and the major damage is right here in the front. It said it had some minor dents and scratches that I did not see yet, so hopefully that it doesn't actually have anything, but this is the major damage right now. Show you guys around the car here. Everything else looks really good. I actually love this color a lot. I've always wanted a BMW with this. I think it's mineral gray is what it's called, but I'll pretty much need the whole front end, a new hood because it's messed up right here. Need reinforcement bar. This headlight's messed up. I'm gonna do like an M Sport bumper for the front. I'll need this new bracket here. The radiator looks like it's pushed in, so I'll need a new radiator. But hopefully, yeah, I'll need a new wheel too. I'm gonna switch out all the wheels actually because they're curb rashed really bad. As you can see, this one's like chipped right here. This one I think was the only one that was fine, but all the other three are like really messed up. I don't know what this previous driver did. They clearly suck at driving. That's really messed up. This one's even like inwards too, so I don't even know if it will drive straight, but I found a new set of wheels anyways. I'm still gonna go with OEM wheels. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and jack this up on the trailer, or at least try to, and try to change this wheel. Or I might just kind of like roll it down first and then change the wheel so I can move it around. So I went ahead and got the car off the trailer. First thing I really wanna do is clean the engine bay, because look at this. I don't know what the freak happened here. I guess a sandstorm went through or something. I did pick this up from like Amarillo, Texas, and I guess that is like kind of in the desert, so I don't know. Anyways, it is filthy in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this down a little bit, and then I'll start taking off the parts, the bumper, reinforcement bar, the headlight, and yeah, we'll see how far the damage goes in. Pretty sure it stops. I know I'm gonna need a new the radiator support here. I'm hoping the fan is good, but we'll see. So let's just go ahead and I'm gonna do a time lapse of this, and we'll go from there. So it is actually the next day. I ended up bringing the car here in the shop. It started raining, freezing rain outside, and obviously you can't work in that. So I just ended up bringing the car in the shop. I'm still in the process of taking everything apart. I'm having some trouble right here because this whole thing is bent and I can't really access these screws. So I'm over here with the crowbar right now trying to kind of bend it back so I can unscrew these and then take off that radiator support or whatever it's called. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue taking everything apart and getting as far as I can to the damage. I think it stops, like all I need left is take off these hoses right here for the radiator and condenser and all that. And then pretty much take off this radiator, intercooler, and then the crash bars. And that should be it. I already made a list, ordered a lot of the parts I already need, so we're looking good for now. And I haven't found like any other damage. Hopefully everything runs really smooth and we'll go from there. Alright, so basically I already got the condenser out. It's right over there. This radiator, I still need to get this out in the intercooler. I honestly think this radiator might be fine because I know these are pretty bendable, so I might be able to just kind of like bend it back. Just in case it's not, I do have another one. I have like some extra ones right there. But this intercooler will most likely have to be changed, which I already have. But I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly take this off camera. And actually tomorrow I'm going to Kansas City to pick up some new parts from Certifit. I'm gonna pick up a hood. I'm gonna see if they have any good deals on some M Sport bumpers. But if they don't, I'll probably just buy one from like Keys Motorsports or something. But I also do need this headlight, the driver's side headlight right here. As you can see, it's cracked. These crash bars. And then a couple like plastics and little miscellaneous things to complete the front end. But for the most part, everything looks good. The radiator support, these little supports here are good. And I kept a lot of what I can use. I put a lot of it down there. And a lot of it I can still use, so that's good. Save a ton of money. That is mostly it for this video. This will probably be like a 6-part series. We'll see how long it takes to rebuild this whole thing. It should be pretty quick. But if you guys do enjoy this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I also do appreciate each one of you guys for the support you've been giving me. If you guys do not yet follow me on my social media, I always link my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook down in the description, so go ahead and check that out. I try to post on my Instagram before I make the videos, so you get a little sneak peek of the upcoming videos. So if you guys do want to go follow me, please do. That'd be great. But anyways, without further ado, I will catch you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.